Hello, I'm Neekia McCoy from Empower Federal Credit Union, where I serve as the Chief Lending Officer. Well, at Empower, we deployed something years ago called storybook lending. And with storybook lending, we have underwriters and loan officers making a very subjective decision. We wanted to make sure that we were serving all of the members of our community and being more inclusive versus having someone tell a story, someone then making a decision based on that story. So you can see we could be presented with some inequities there. With that being said, looking at the technology that was available, we landed on Zest and have found it to be a wonderful partnership. After determining we would partner with Zest because Zest would allow us to continue to tell our members' story and have a more holistic approach with that, the implementation team was great. I've actually worked with several members of the Zest team and deployed this solution multiple times. It is a very quick and easy process compared to some other projects that credit unions might deploy. I'm looking forward to being able to serve more of our community. We are a CDFI credit union, which means we have a lot of underbanked and underserved members of our community. So how can we develop products and get them to market faster to be able to address the needs of those that are in the community? And so far, Zest has allowed us to do that. We're getting ready to deploy some roadmap items with Zest as well so that we can help our community members develop generational wealth, help them broaden and strengthen the communities that they live in through small business lending. So it's a partnership that's a win-win for everyone, for the organization, Zest, and our community. Some of our roadmap items to be more inclusive and to get things to market quicker are being able to deploy grants that we have as a CDFI lender to get more funds to people quicker. So AI allows us to get quicker, faster decisions. We are able to have funds in our members' accounts in a matter of minutes, depending on those type of products. And with our roadmap items, we'll create products that are geared specifically towards women, small business owners. We have veteran programs to help them in small business and also establish home ownership. So we take a very holistic look of the markets we're in and look to see who we can help the most with our products. And we try and meet those needs by developing new programs for them. AI is going to drive that for us because it lets us continue to tell that story where we're not having someone have to tell us their story. AI can bring that story to us and allow us to make a quicker, faster decision with that technology. That is not just a moment in time of someone's credit history, if you will. It doesn't have them as a number. It actually gives us a better view of how they will be able to use the credit that we're extending. So with the home equity products that we've signed up with Zest, I'm looking for being able to tap into markets that not necessarily others are willing to go into. So in our area, we have properties that have dilapidated, that don't necessarily have the financial resources to rehab some of those. So we want to work with some of our local organizations to craft that home equity product to be able to help with some of those properties so that we can rebuild and reestablish neighborhoods. I would say if you're on the fence with deciding, is this right for your organization? I guess you have to ask the question, what is holding you back? Because AI technology is the future. It's moving fast, it's growing rapidly, and we've been able to partner with an organization that uses it to benefit our community.